Managing storage is more than just adding disks. It's about being proactive. Ask yourself, how much storage do I have right now? How much will I need next month, next year? And how is my current storage actually being used? These questions, they're not just technical, they're strategic. They sit right at the heart of what we call capacity management. As your organization grows, so does your data, and so does your need to control it. Uncontrolled storage growth is dangerous. Graphic files, videos, random personal backups. They eat up space and can cripple performance if left unchecked. Let's talk about the real-world challenges. First, understanding your current usage. If you don't know what's out there, you can't manage it. Second, enforcing your storage policies. Rules only work if they're followed. Third, preventing unauthorized file storage. You can't have users dumping personal movies onto production servers. And finally, preparing for future demands. Because data will grow. And if you don't plan ahead, you'll get caught off guard. You need the right tools to really visualize what's going on. You can't manage what you can't see. Rules? Absolutely. Who can store what, where they store it, and how much they're allowed to store. Simple questions with huge impact when enforced correctly. This is where File Server Resource Manager fits your need. It's built right into Windows Server, no need for extra installs. And it gives you 5 powerful features. First, quota management. It lets you set limits on how much data users can store. No more storage hogs. Second, file screening. Block unwanted file types like MP3s or .iso files from cluttering your servers. Third, classification management. Think of it like TikTok hashtags. You can tag files based on type, category, or sensitivity. Fourth, file management tasks. This is where automation comes in. Files get handled automatically based on their tags. And fifth, storage reports. When you need to see what's going on, get detailed insights into usage, violations, and trends all in one place. With FSRM, you're not just storing data, you're managing it intelligently. It helps enforce your policies, prevent misuse, and plan for sustainable growth. So, if you're serious about mastering Windows Server 2022, FSRM is your secret weapon. Let's get started.